Hello, welcome to the Marley Bird YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do a linked half double crochet. You begin with a slip knot on your hook, and you will chain the total number of stitches you need for your project plus 2. Once you've chained the total number you need plus 2, you will insert your hook into the second chain from hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next chain from hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You will yarn over and draw through all 3 loops on your hook. Now taking your hook and going through the middle bar, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, draw through all 3. We're going to repeat that process. Go into the middle bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, go to the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3. You will repeat this all the way down the row. When you get to the end of the row, there's nothing special to do. Go ahead and chain 2, turn your work, and now we will build our linked half double crochets down the row. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3. Insert your hook through the middle bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3. Insert your hook into the middle bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3. Linked half double crochets give you a more dense fabric than a basic half double crochet. I really like the more dense fabric I have right here with the linked half double crochets, and I really love to use that if I'm making something where the weight of the stitches is going to hang from this part of the fabric. Just remember, right after you pull through all 3 loops, insert your hook into the middle horizontal bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3. Really easy. Now you know how to do a linked half double crochet. Go ahead and add that to your crocheter's toolbox. I'm Marley Bird. Find more videos like this one to help you become a better crocheter and knitter right here on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. Hey, thanks for joining me today on the channel. If you want more videos just like that one, check out some of these other videos that I've already handpicked for you. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that way you're up to date whenever I release a new video. And don't forget, smash that like button, as my kids say. Bye guys.